Hey guys, in this video we're going to show you how to change the font size in Notepad. Let's get started. Firstly, open up Notepad. We want to change the font size of this document's text. Click on Edit. Go to the bottom of the list and click on Font. Under the Font section, you can change the size. Simply choose the font size from the list or type it in if the font size you want isn't on the list. Choose the font size that suits you. Now go back to the document. Your text font size has successfully changed. If you found this guide helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe, as almost no one that watches my videos is subscribed. If you subscribe, my videos will be suggested the next time you need help with something. Thanks for watching and see you soon.